Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Priceline. So let me take you to their website, which is Priceline.com. Now, for the ones who don't know what is Priceline, Priceline is an online travel agency and search engine that provides discounted rates for various travel-related services, including flights, hotels, rental cars, and vacation packages. It operates by allowing users to search for travel accommodations and services based on their preferences and budget. So if you're in the mood to have a good time out, vacation, you could come to the website and explore yourself all these amazing services that they got available. You could book yourself an amazing journey outside for you, either for you or for your family, if you like. But that's not exactly why you're here. We are here to earn money from Priceline. Can we do that? Of course we can. We simply have to join the affiliate program of Priceline and start promoting them to our audience. And when our audience would make the sale, guess what? You'll get commission. So the question is, how do you join the affiliate program of Priceline? So for that, let me take you to the website cj.com. Now, why CJ and what is CJ? CJ is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there, and they provided platforms to affiliates to connect with different brands, and it's kind of required that many brands out there, and to join their affiliate program you have to join the respective affiliate network as well. So in our case, if you want to join the affiliate program of Priceline, we have to join the affiliate network of cj.com. Now on the network they call affiliates as publishers, as you see here, and brands as advertisers, so don't get yourself confused. Now how do you create an affiliate account with CJ, or rather a publisher account with them? For that, you can click on the sign up button, which will take you to this page. Over here, you have to look at the right hand side, and over here, you can click on sign up within partner with the world's best brand. And when you do that, it will take you to a form that you have to fill up. Now, I understand that like many things to keep in mind. If you are creating an affiliate account with an affiliate network, you might have a lot of questions. So don't you worry. I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create an affiliate account with cj.com. You'll find the link in the video description. Click on the link, follow the instruction, get yourself a cj.com affiliate account, or rather a publisher account. Once you have created an account, or in case if you already have an account with CJ, on the website, you can click on login on the top right hand side. Again, we're on their website, which is cj.com. You have to click on login from the top right hand side, which will take you to this page. Over here, you can enter your email address and password and click on login, which should take you to something called Publisher Dashboard or Affiliate Dashboard. Now, this is a place where you would be able to interact with different brands out there, but our interest is Priceline for now. So how do you find the affiliate program of Priceline? For that, you can click on advertisers, which will take you to this page. Over here, if you look at the left hand side where you see advertisers, you have to click there and you have to start typing Priceline. And when you do that, you'll see two programs, the Priceline.com and Priceline.com Europe. So just for the demo purpose, I'm going to select both. In your case, you might want to go with, if you're from Europe, then you can pick just this one. And if you are outside of Europe, you could pick just this one, totally up to you, but I'm still going to show it to you. So once you have selected these, then you can click on search. And when you do that, you would be able to see both these programs, the Priceline.com and the Priceline.com Europe. In your case, if you just would have searched for one, you will only see one. And depending on your location, either go with this or this. So if you're from Europe, go with this one, otherwise this one. So let's say, for example, that we want to go with this one, the Priceline.com. So you can click on this to get more information. And when you would click on it, the first thing you might observe is the name, contact, and the email address. So this is the email address that you could use anytime whenever you want to reach out to the affiliate program team of Priceline to discuss a number of things, totally up to you. And if you scroll down, you will see more information as well. So you could read through the description to understand more about them. Now, if you click on program terms, this is where you would be able to see the commission. So how much commission can you earn from them? You can get 3% of the sale amount. It also depends on the action. So if it's a hotel express deal, then you're going to get 3% commission on the sale amount. For rental car, 3%. For flight express, 3%. For hotel express deal, the coupon, 3%. So all these things you can read and you can see how much they are providing to you. But it's mostly 3%, except for this one, which is $2 per item. So it's not percentage based, but rather action based. But for the rest of the stuff, they are providing 3% commission rate. And if you scroll down, you would be able to see policies as well. And so this is very important because here you get to see what you can do after getting the approval and what you cannot do. So ensure you read it carefully. And they even got the social media policy as well. If you scroll down, you'll see social media. So according to that, they allow affiliates to promote them on social media, but they have to take care of this part. So ensure you read it, you understand it, and you take care of it. So I'm still going to read it, and I'm going to clarify. So affiliates may promote Priceline offers through social media channels such as without limitation, like on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and the like. So definitely you can do that, but only if such channels or affiliates page on such channels are branded exclusively under affiliate brand. So don't get confused about it. We can go to the next point, which is in no event shall affiliate include Priceline name or marks on any such channel or page in a manner that gives the impression that such channel or page is endorsed by or in any way associated with Priceline. Now that's very important. You could promote Priceline on social media channels of yours after getting the approval, of course, but you can't mention or you can't imply that whatever you're promoting is endorsed by Priceline. So that's important. That's what they're trying to say here. But apart from it, you are okay to promote them on social media. Like this, you can read other policies as well and ensure you abide by those policies. So let's say you've read it all and you're fine, you're fine in applying to the affiliate program. Then what to do? In that case, you can click on apply to program, which will open up a new window. In my case, you won't be able to see it, but in your case, you would be able to see it, and you can just go through with the prompt and apply to the affiliate program. And once you do that, then your application would go to the Priceline affiliate program team. They will review, they'll see whether you're a good fit for them or not. And if they like your presence, your online presence, which you would have given during registration, affiliate registration with cj.com, based on that, they will provide you the approval. And they may take anywhere between a few days to a couple of weeks time. And at any given point of time, if you want to reach out to them, you could use the affiliate contact information that we talked about. Now, once you get the approval, you would usually get notified by email. You will also see a notification on the top right-hand side, like this envelope sign, you will see a number. So that's how you would be able to see it. And after getting the approval, you can always click on advertisers. You can tick mark my advertisers and search, and you would be able to see them listed over there. Okay, so you got the approval. Then what? That could another possibility. What if you don't get the approval? You may get the rejection right away. So when you click on apply to program, there could be a possibility of getting the rejection. So in that case, you could write an email to them, and you can manually request them to consider your application. That's one way. But let's say you either reached out to them or you applied to them to apply to the program and they approved you. Now what? You can start promoting them, but you can't take any link from the website. For that, you have to ensure that you're using your unique tracking links to promote Priceline or any web page of the website. You should be using your own tracking link, and to have your own tracking link, you could click on links. You could go to search to find your tracking link. So you could go to link tools. You will find a deep linking tool there. You could use that to create your own tracking link. So that's how you can get your tracking link and start promoting them. The question is, how can you promote them? What other ways can you promote them? There are many ways, totally up to you, but still I'm going to cover a few just to give you some basics. You could promote them on the website. Let's say, if it doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, probably create a section like an advertisement on the right or the left hand side of any web page on your website, start promoting them. I know it's not that effective, but that's still an option. The other is blog, which is effective. On blog, you could write blog post, about amazing places out there. It could be hotel, it could be a travel package, it could be anything, that you think it could be good for your audience. So you could create blog posts, one or multiple blog posts, and at the end of it, you could just mention your tracking link over there, and you can just mention, if anyone is interested to buy this, click on this link, something like that. So you could promote them on blog, and I'm sure it's very effective. The second way is travel and tourism website. Now this is like very effective because people do come to travel and tourism website because they want to learn about either travel or tourism. So if you have the website which falls under this category, like if you have a travel or tourism website, you could probably just put the advertisement anywhere where you see would have the good engagement. So you could put the advertisement of different hotels or different places, that you could search on Priceline. Just put the links over there, so when people would click on it, you'll get the commission. You could even create like a section on your website, probably, which should have multiple travel packages. So, and those travel packages should have the embedded tracking links. So this way you can promote the Priceline on travel and tourism website. And the last but not least is the social media. Now, let's be honest, social media is effective, isn't it? So probably you could talk about vacation packages or any of those services from Priceline website and put a tracking link over there, let people click on it, but ensure you don't put it or you don't imply in a way that it's being endorsed by Priceline. It People don't see it that way, so be mindful of that. So let's say you started promoting them through any of these means or any other way that you find more suited. How about the performance? Where would you be able to see it? So you would be able to see your performance, basically sales and commission, everything on your CJ affiliate dashboard. So you can come to dashboard, you could click on reports and export these reports to see those performance of yours. Now, how about the payment of it? So the payment will be made by Priceline to CJ, and CJ will issue the payment to you for the commissions that you have on. So ensure your payment settings are up to date on CJ's platform. To keep your payment up to date, you can click on account, go to administrative settings, update your payment method. So right now they got two payment methods available. One is a direct deposit that you can set to yourself. Another is Pioneer. So totally up to you. Either go with direct deposit payment setup or the Pioneer payment setup. And once you have set it up, you can expect the payment to be issued by CJ to you. And they follow the minimum payment threshold of 50. So they won't be issuing the payment to you unless the accumulated commission in your affiliate account exceeds $50. So that's another thing to keep in mind. So this is how you can find the affiliate program of Priceline. You can apply to them, get the approval, start promoting them, and start getting commission out of them. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and will help you in applying to the affiliate program of Priceline. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video on the affiliate program of any brand, do let me know in the comment section, and I'll try my best to create a video on it. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.